you harm like opening an account of 100, a lot size of 100. First, you need to like build up the account. By this I mean you like have to like get in with a, for example, let's say you're doing a $10. You're trying to flip the account. The first thing you need to like define is your risk. How many pips you don't want the market to go against you. Then that is what you start with as your starting volume. You get my point, brother? Yeah. So increasingly as the market moves in your direction, you continue adding positions, and then the market itself will let you add a 100 lot size. Yeah. Thank you. Do you use limits to add more trades? Yes, I use pending orders basically. Pending orders are good. Pending orders basically they try to like help you not like get in early or get in late. You get my point? The orders basically, when you put orders, it means basically if you put a limit, let's say if you are buying, if you put a buy limit, it means you want the market to first go more down before it goes up. Yeah. So when you put a buy stops, it means that you want the prices to like continue rolling up to a certain zone, and then it continue rolling up from your zone of like order. Yeah, I think I've answered you. Yeah, I don't know how do you add a bigger lot to the market reverse? Will it not blow ASAP? Of course, brother. Some of these things happen. You get my point? You like may add a position into the market and then you get blown. That's the reality. Or you might add a position and like get so much more. You get my point? That's what I'm saying. This is a skill that one needs to like have when you're approaching the market. This just comes basically over practice, because you realize you're not trading money but rather the direction of prices. You get my point? So you just need to like be in tune with the direction of prices. However much you like need to go, there are no rules here. Basically leveraging gives you like that freedom to like go as heavy as you want. You get my point? That is the beauty about leveraging. Leveraging will like get you like, you can go as heavy as you want, like as long as you're in tune with the direction of prices. You're going to like milk as much as you can, compared to these other methods of trading. Let me talk about these other methods of trading because before I started leveraging, I was still trading the other way. So I'll tell you what was happening to me. This is my story. Before I started like trading, like before I started leveraging myself, I used to like trade like the normal people. You're told like you need to like put a stop loss 20 pips, then after you put your stop loss at 20 pips, then take profit to take 30 pips. You get my point? You get into the market like that. This is what happens. You'll make money on Monday, yeah, then you make money on Tuesday, then you make money on Wednesday, then on Thursday and Friday, what you had made plus what you had invested, they take the eat. Yeah, so you get back to the block. Yeah, then you go to the streets, look for money again, get in again, make money on Monday, make money on Tuesday, okay, make small money on Monday, make small money again on Tuesday, on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In fact, on Wednesday they hit you, they kill you. Yeah, you die. Yeah, so that's why I chose to leverage. I decided I'll like do this. If I lose, let me lose legitly. If I win, let me win. Let me get something that can help me in the streets, like do something substantial. You get my point? And that is how like I got into leveraging. So I like try, I can do this, but I need baby steps to do it right. Whenever you come to say, I'll pop up, brother. Thank you so much, champion. Karibu, brother. Thank you so much for that. I'll come there. I'm planning to come to South Africa. I'll like shop there. Have you blown accounts before? Ndo nauliza, for how long have you done this? Cause we nimerambwa. Acha kwambie, brother. You see me? I'm a product of blowing accounts. and trust me, I've like nimepatiwa kitu inaitwa character development. I've like had a lot of like challenges, especially for me. You know me, I'm a portfolio manager, and as a portfolio manager, what happens is this: I have people that have put their trust in my skills. So what happens is this: it hurts when you like tell someone we are going to win, and then now you get into the market, you get nailed. You can imagine how that fucks your psychology, but that is part of the trading. You get my point? So like blowing, we have all like blown accounts. You know, there's a difference between blowing an account and you not doing anything. You rather like blow an account and learn. You get my point? Because blowing an account, if we say we don't blow accounts, I blow accounts to date. In my approach, blowing account is part of the strategy. You get my point? When you're leveraging, blowing an account is a part of the strategy. Yeah. What do I mean? I mean this. One, we are getting in with a defined risk. You get my point? So if I'm getting in with a $500, it means I've accepted to lose the whole $500 immediately. You get my point? So it means I've accepted to blow that $500 immediately. You get my point? So blowing is part of leveraging. As long as you like be leveraging, it means that you have accepted that blowing an account is part of trading. You get my point? So that is like something that everyone needs to like understand moving forward in regards to like leveraging. I think Easy have like answered you. Show us how you do your analysis. Analyze your trade. I put a video. I've already pinned it on my wall. You can check it out. Champion. That will like elaborate more about like how I'm like always analyzing the markets. Yeah, because so what else do show us your analysis? I'll like you can see my analysis, my results on my wall. Everything is there. So I was telling you my story of blowing accounts. Yeah, because now as long as you're a trader, you have got to like come into terms with blowing. You can't like run away from the reality. Like as a trader, you have got to like blow an account. The question is now, how do you want to blow? You know, losing in the market is part of the game, but how you lose now is your choice. You get my point? Yeah, you got to like know how to lose in a way that instead of you like feeling drained, instead of you like feeling disappointed with yourself, or like rather feeling like, or rather like having an emotional imbalance, you have to lose in a way that gives you like motivation. You get my point? So right now I was just like from journaling my work this week, and I thought it was like maybe important to like help a brother and maybe share with a brother here or a sister what has like helped me like manifest a lot of figures this week. Yeah, so I'll tell you this. One key thing that you need to like have as a trader is presence. Presence is key. You can't be a trader and you are not present in the market. Yeah, this is the greatest gift any trader can have. So if you want to like have like, or you want to like improve your trading, first of all you need to like fine tune your mind to like be present in the moment. You get my point? Presence is key. I'll tell you what happened. By this I mean this. When I got into the market, what has resulted in my win is this. One, I maintained observing the market until I was in tune with the market. You get my point? Because now you can't like, if it's a new day, when you're coming to the market the following day, you can't like just expect where you left the market working from yesterday, like the market will like continue working like that today too. You get my point? Yeah. So you've got to like give yourself some time to like be present in the market by just simply observing. That is what I mean by being present. You observe, see what the market is like really trying to like tell you. You get my point? Understand. Yeah. Understand how the market is like trying to move. Then your task is simple. When you are present in the moment, you like be in tune with the market. Now as time unfolds, you know, now from this point this is what we expect, now from this point this is what we expect, and then it becomes very easy for you. Yeah. So I'll tell you, this is the character that is the most important, like to any trader. Presence. Everything begins from presence. That's why here we talk about life, because life is the only thing that offers presence. Without life you can't be present. It is only life that gives us presence, you know. So as long as you're present in the market, yeah, this is a character that whether you like it or not, without having this you will forever be a failure in the forex market. You can't like just come and like expect like you like come and like make something from the market just like that. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't, brothers and sisters. So yeah. So presence is key. Basically, presence is the ability to be aware of your own beingness. As you're present, you like when you feel like you need to like buy, and maybe you know like deep down you're like seeing the market, like the market structures are not like as they are supposed to be. Definitely you know what will happen. Yeah, when you're present in the moment, that presence itself will like help you. Yeah, like wait, or you like remove like some small amount from your defined risk. Then maybe if you're risking a 2% of your account, maybe a 5%, because for me I know in the forex market you can literally like get money from nothing. Me, I really like build up accounts from nothing. It's the reality. Like where unatoa hivi account kutoka $1, you just get an account from $1, even less than $1, and you grow that account. Like for example, this is how I got to know about leveraging myself. When I started leveraging, I was not even knowing that what I'm doing is leveraging. You get my point? Nile shida umekula kwa streets, unapigwa kichapo kwa darasa huku kwa streets, huku unanyoroshwa, landlord anakukimbiza, sijui nani anakusumbua, sijui nani mwingine ako rada yako, demu yako amekupigia anataka pesa ya chama, anataka sijui pesa ya nini. Yeah, the girlfriend is on your neck. Yeah, oh babes, you know I need this. Yeah, you have a kid, the kid needs to eat. You get my point? It's crazy. Yeah, that is how I got to know about leveraging. So I look at myself like I've been a baba. Mimi nimekuwa kinyozi, nimeshikuwa kinyozi before like okay, I'm still a baba, I can shave you, but this is what happens. You can imagine as a baba in the streets, you get into the market in Kenya, in the streets, shaving for even like in the streets of Kasarani, shaving at 100 men where uko juu. Huko watu hata kuna tojolona 30 bob. So you can imagine like gathering 1,000 from shaving one person like 30 shillings, or maybe shaving one person at 50 shillings. It's not easy, believe me. So way back, the Xness, the broker that I've been using, then they were also Akina Templar. Then I've like started trading since way back. So you realize like you get into the market, and then you try like, by then I was like adding losses, small lot sizes, and then they were working. So there's a time like I moved an account from $2 to like 100,000, and within a day, and I was like, whoa. So this like can happen. You get my point? Yeah. And and like from that I've never gotten back. Every day I say it's a journey. I still get hit, but not as much as like getting hit then. Yeah. So basically I can tell you what has like resulted like having this character is presence. You get my point? Presence presence in the market is key. Presence. This is the ability to like be aware of your, be present, being aware of your own beingness. You get my point? You got to like be aware of your own beingness before being into the market. Because now if you don't have that awareness of your own beingness, you'll get into the market to get nailed. That is the reality. So let me just answer a few questions before I continue about the next thing that has helped me like note how to like move forward in the market. Yeah, let me just answer a question. Any question that I've... Okay, which currency is quitting now? Thank you, Easy, for answering, my brother here. Thank you. Ali, yeah man. Thank you, brother, for showing up, brother. So Simfu Ekunene asking me if I have a YouTube channel. I've not thought about like setting up a YouTube channel because most of the time I've said I'm a portfolio manager. Most of the time I'm literally in the market. So what happens with me, like I really like have this time, but I'm going to like consider having this time, because now for me, like I have like a lot of people that I'm working with currently, and if you say you can do something, then it means you have got to commit to like show what you say you can do if you're really doing it. You get my point? So and you know you can't serve two masters. Yeah, you can't like be showing this and not doing this, because you also realize as a trader, as we have said, presence is key. You can't like manifest numbers in the forex market if first of all you are not present. Presence, if you're not present within yourself, and by this I mean you are living in your mind. Yeah, okay, we are living our minds, okay, but are you like really aware of what is happening in your mind? Are you like really now aware that the most important thing is not what is happening around, but what is happening within? Yeah, it's key to like have that. So yeah, so being aware of your physical and emotional adaptability to change as time unfolds, yeah, is key. Because now this ability helped me to like let everything that is happening in my mind be. Yeah, and I just maintain observing the market. Over time, I attained calmness and became the observer. You get my point? Thank you. Ali was my neighbor. Ali was my neighbor way back in campus pale MKU. Yeye alikuwa daktari. Yeye alikuwa anasomea udaktari. Mimi nilikuwa nafanya actual science way back in MKU the year 2017. So I was still trading that time. Yeah, it's crazy. So mimi nawaambia wakuu, if you want to like manifest numbers in the forex market, honestly, don't look at the market, look at yourself. Yeah, look at yourself. You want to like manifest numbers in the forex market crazily, look at yourself. Just look at yourself. Look at what is happening within your mind. Can you like think about a better way of like looking at things? Do you believe you can get better? Because now for us, we believe that we just need one trade, one setup is enough to like change everything for you. You get my point? Yeah, one, you don't need two trades. One setup, I can get you like a one very good setup, and like you wrap it like shit, you lap it, you like kill it, yeah, and then you don't have to trade ever again. Me myself right now, I'm always trading, yes. Yeah, because you know now when you love something, you can't like live without doing it. Yeah, if you truly love something, you like be present for it. So El Padrino, unatumia broker UP. I use different brokers, but currently natumia Xness. Yeah, so being in tune with your true self and let it show you things as they are and not as you are. You get my point? You've got to like be calm. Be calm. Presence is key. Presence is key. Presence is key. How much for training and mentoring? Easy that. That's just simply, I do like a lifetime mentorship yangu inakuanga ya $1,000. Lifetime mentorship. That means like you can like always ask me any question. I can always guide you through everything. That I'm answering since Tamumo. Since is asking how much for training. Trainings are $1,000. Signals are $200. All of them, they are lifetime signal and mentorship programs. So it's a one-time fee. You don't have to ever like pay me ever again. But also you don't also have to pay me. The only thing you need to do, you need to like just be in tune with the market. Wenda uangalie soko, practice. We all start from a demo. It's a journey. If you can do it on a demo, you can do it on a real account. You get my point? Yeah, you've got like be good. Consistency is key. Just try and like just better yourself. Yeah, you just like trying to like better yourself is the most important thing. You get my point? Because now everything changes as a trader when you realize like you are not this body and you are not your mind, but rather the observer of them both. You get my point? So we all didn't choose to like I didn't choose to be male, someone else didn't choose to be female. We all found ourselves as we are. You get my point? So at the end of the day, kile cha muhimu kabisa kwa hii dunia ni presence. You want to like achieve something, be present in it. Learn from it. What you did yesterday, do it again today. Don't stop, because now tofauti ya watu ni mbili. The only difference we have between people is two. There are those people that before they start they see the end. There are those people that when they start, they just start without like even seeing the end. This is what is happening. When you start doing something that you've already seen the end before you start, chances are you'll not stop along the way. You get my point? Yeah? When you start something, when you are like starting something, it doesn't matter. May it be Forex, may it be like anything kwa hii dunia that you might like choose to like start and do. You realize one thing, yeah? If you start without you like seeing the end, you'll always go and start something else, because you'll also like even like leave it along the way. That's when it is important to have a plan. You go like having a plan means you see the end before you start. You get a point? That now takes me to my next step. What has made me win this week in the Forex market? What has like made me like manifest a lot of figures this week? The second thing was defending my approach. I did this by elaborating to my clients of how El Congo strategy is working and regards to the market. Get my point? This is how my strategy works. I'll tell you. One, we define our risks into the market. Yeah? Mimi najuanga hizi vitu zote bro. Yes, I know all these things. I have experience in all these things. I do all those shit, bro. You can always check up, bro. You just show up to the workshop like tufanye I was telling you what like has resulted to like us like having money this week. So, and this is how El Congo strategy is working. Iko hivi. One, we define our own risks. Yeah? Stakes into the market, depending on our overall investment we are making into the financial market. You get my point? So for example, this client that I had this week like came in with $1 million. That is $10,000. So the $10,000 that this person came in with, he needed to like leverage it into the market. So I told him, okay, how much do you want to like risk per setup? Yeah, and we defined that basically. For example, let's take this scenario. Let's say for example, this person came with $1,000 because that is the minimum. What we do is if our overall stake is $1,000, then we will risk a maximum of 5% of the overall amount. This will mean that I'll like be getting into the market with a $50 per setup to like try and like maximize the outcome of a market. And better areas of interest. So El Quago strategy works best when breakouts are happening. You get my point? Breakouts. Yeah, let me take some water. Like El Quago strategy basically works best when yeah, thank you, sorry for that. So El Quago strategy works best when you are like a breakout is about to happen. You get my point, brothers and sisters? Yeah. So when like probably like a breakout is about to happen, the market will tell us like a breakout is about to happen. So our goal now will like be like we get in as heavy as we can go, and our goal is simple, to like try and like catch the market at the right prices. You get my point? So when I am like working towards like getting the market like at the right prices, when I get it at the right price, I will definitely like make a win out of that. So our areas of interest remains on key support and resistance zones in the market. You get my point? For El Quago to work well, you need to like make sure that what you're looking at in the market is at a very key support or a support level. Why? Because now when like a breakout is about to happen, from that zone, like chances of you getting the market at the right price is fine. Because now for El Quago to work, because you like continue like adding positions increasingly, you need to like have grounded yourself comfortably to like hold the 100 losses our brother was asking hapo mbele. So El Quago, the beauty about El Quago, you can use it to like maximize short-term movements in the market, and also like use it to like maximize on the long-term movements in the market. You get my point? Depending on the time frame that your analysis was from, depending on the setup time frame that was, mahali your setup yako ulikuwa umeona, if you like seen a setup in an hour 4 time frame, the better the results. If you had seen your setup from a minute 5, the lesser the results, and the lesser the amounts that you're like going to like manifest. You get my point? So as our approach means that we maximize the outcome of a market movement, it is always important to lock every entry that turns blue. You get my point? That is what helps me to like be on the lead. Why? Because now prices might choose to like go against you. Prices might choose to move down. If you are moving down, prices might choose to like go up. If you are selling, if you are going bearish with the market might choose to go bullish. So if you are not locked your positions, my friends, you are going to like get nailed, and you're not like going to like make something from the market. Sufwe Kunene is asking, what has been your biggest trade? My biggest trade so far has been the one that I nailed a 49 million quoted dinars. That has been my biggest one. That has been my biggest since I started trading. Mpaka say I'm still like getting into terms like with the reality of it. It's a bit crazy. Hata nashindwa sasa vajapo inaendelea kichemuka kwa hizi streets. Vajapo inaendelea kichemuka huku kwa hizi streets. Mimi naona sasa mimi niko karibu tu kuhama hizi streets, lakini sitaki, I don't want. Okay, wacha tuache hiyo mambo. Let me just stick to the what brought me here. You would rather find another entry in future. You'd rather like find another entry in future than get nailed in the market. You get my point? You'd rather like when the market is defined. Because for El Quago, my strategy, the El Quago strategy, for El Quago strategy to work, it needs you to like just maximize on the defined movement in the market. You get my point? The defined movement. You just like move with the defined movement. The market chooses to like show you a way that it doesn't want to like set it, like it starts correcting, you get out. You don't have to like wait for the bullshits that are about to happen in the market. Yeah. So yeah. So what has been your highest trade? Thank you, brother. Kweli sasa ukubali withdraw. Bro, withdraw. I withdraw, bro. Yeah, just that unajua sasa mimi najipenda sana kwa hizi streets. Siwezi taka usumbufu, sitaki usumbufu, nataka nikule mali yangu polepole. Sitaki usumbufu. Unajua nimekula shida sana kwa hii soko nikingangana nayo. Sasa wakati Mungu alitoa akafungua mlango, sitaki usumbufu. Sitaki usumbufu, nataka nikule polepole. I know. A lot of people like has been asking me, show us, bro. Are you ready for that reality? You want to see you die? You want to see you come, you kill me? This is the goal. Soko inalipa. Believe it or not. Take it or not. And Xness or my brokers, all the brokers I've been working with, I've already withdrawn $1 million. I've seen it. Yeah. Like I know it is possible. You can withdraw any amount. You can withdraw any amount, but the methods now, unajua shida hii Kenya yetu, sasa unaonanga hata tukitoa pesa kama watu watano. Unajua hii Kenya yetu shida yake ni moja. Shida hii Kenya ni moja. Ukijaribu kuna pesa unaweza jaribu kutoa hivi, ianze kuleta shida. You get my point? You start like having like to have like start encounter problems. But in reality, the other methods that you can like, the beauty about the era that we are at, you don't have to like have physical cash with you. You get my point? You just need to like have people who know how to like transact these things and like the transaction is done. You get my point? Yeah. You just need to like know how to like deal in the online world. Cryptos is a idea. Yeah. You can like buy your things using crypto. You can buy your things using USDT, whatever. So for example, when you are like withdrawing using USDT using my broker, you can withdraw up to $10 million per round. So you can withdraw as many times as you want to withdraw the $10 million. Yeah, as many times as you want, provided you have it. You get my point? So yeah, for the sake of those people that are asking, they want to see the withdrawal. I will like this coming week, by the grace of God, we just pray for life. I'll like show, and I hope when I show, he will not come to kill me. Don't come and kill me. Just let Mfalme continue eating mali yake polepole bila usumbufu. Yeah. So let me get straight to the point. When you take a hit, when you take a loss, then it means we didn't move into the profit side at all. You get my point? That is how El Quago strategy is working. When you see blues, you maximize on the blues. You lock the blues. If you're going to see a red, if you're going to see a loss, then let that loss be a loss that you had not seen a blue at all. You get my point? You'd rather have a small win than have nothing at all. Mkono mtupu tu ndo ilambangwi. You get my point, brothers and sisters? Yeah? It's just an enemy that is not eaten. You just can't eat your hand, but having a small something in your hand, yeah, is enough. Because that will like help you like arrange yourself, like you can always get another setup in the market. You get my point? So the goal is to take as much as you can, as fast as we can, then get out. You get my point? The goal is simple. Get as much as you can, as fast as you can, then you get out of there, brother and sister. Yeah? Yeah. So this way is a way of like securing the profits. Yeah, you secure the profits this way. Yeah. So you secure the profits as soon as you see them. If the market is still going on in your direction, yeah, that's why you see me like using a trailing stop loss. You get my point? A trailing stop loss is one beautiful thing, because now a trailing stop loss, now after you have defined your risk, and the first type of risk that the type of loss that, okay, what am I saying? Let me recollect. Look at this. Let's say you are like getting into the market, okay? You've gotten into the market. You have seen the blues, okay? You have like locked the blues. That is the first step, okay? The first risk that you will encounter using leveraging is getting the right price of trading, because now we are risking so much. You get my point? We are risking so much, but this is what is happening. We are not risking really. We are like just trying to like be in tune with the direction of prices. Because now, if someone is buying with a 0.01 and someone is buying with a lot size of a 1 at the same price, what will happen? This one that is making with a 0.01, if this on this side is making with a 0.01, if this one is making a $5, this one is making a 500. So the same movement, one is making a $5, the other one is making a $500. You get my point? So this is the essence. This is the essence. This is the essence. If you are in the market, please go as heavy as you can go. Wacha uoga, uwa isoko. Okay? Now, so you see blues secure. You know what? The beauty about trading is this. You don't force it. Wakati soko iko na setup mzuri, yenyewe itakupatia pesa venye unataka. Wakati haina setup mzuri, when the market has a very good setup, it will like get you the resources that you need. You get my point? Yeah. So, yeah. Small wins always act as small mirrors. You rather like have a small win, yeah, than have no win at all. Psychologically, when you have a small win, like it will like help you like know that tomorrow you can win more. You get my point? When you like have small wins, the small wins will like act very well with you over time. So you like make enough small wins. You make enough small wins. So you make fast, you make a 50, a 50, a 50, a 50. Tomorrow you will try, make a 75, 75, 75. By the time you realize you're already at billion of the time. Yeah? So, Machana, what makes you sane with all that you have made? I've made nothing. What will I have made without life? You get my point? What is life? What is making money without life itself? You know, life itself makes you humble, because now life can take away everything from you immediately. Other the reasons why like I'm here is because like I want to like help a brother out, so that I know, because I know hapo mbele at some point in my life maybe a brother will like help me out too. You get my point? There's a time like I really needed to like have this information, but no one was there to like help me with. That's why like I'm here. Like yeah, me niko hapa to like try as much as possible, like give you information. You help yourself. Help yourself. Yeah? Like life is the greatest. Life is the greatest. Because from life, if I didn't have life, if I was not like appreciating life more, like if I don't like appreciate life more, yeah, even what I have will be taken away from me. Because like you realize one truth about life is that everything we think we have is given. You get my point? Yeah, everything we have is given. It's upon us now to like know how can I better how can I better the livelihoods of life? How can I like teach the younger generation, those who are behind me, to like, as much as we live life a better way than we have left it. You get my point? Because now the best you can do with life is like teach the young, teach those people who are like behind us the way, so that over time life will like get better. You get my point? Because at the end of the goal is this: we are all brothers and sisters, and the enemy is poverty. You get my point? In fact, there's no enemy. There's no enemy. We are all brothers and sisters here on earth, and it wouldn't make sense. It doesn't make sense really for someone to like have information about having something, doing something, and then you don't help a brother. Maybe there's a brother out here that has just been missing that one puzzle, just one puzzle. He just needs that one puzzle to like hack his life out. You get my point? That's why I even chose to like get into social media, because I know there's someone out here that probably needs to like just have a simple information, and his life is at a balance now. Get my point? So at the end of the day, the most important thing is life itself. And the beauty about life, it doesn't matter the emotions, the everything that happens within our minds, because the most important thing is as long as you've got life, just try and like make life a better place than it is right now. So Sincha, 49 million Kuwait dinars, that's 22 billion, brother. Ambeni serikali yenu ya Kenya iongea mimi vizuri. Serikali inaongea mimi vizuri. And I can do something. In fact, the industry tuko nayo, if the country Kenya will like let me like leverage for them, hii shida tunaweza maliza miezi 6, deni yote ya Kenya tunaweza maliza. Ati shida ni pesa. Wakenya wakuangi serious. It is not serious. You wonder, all those people who know, who are we dealing with, who have we like put there? You get my point? Because for me I know, the problem that we as Kenyans are facing right now in the country. You see, this one they are saying, Sijui has gone up, everything is going up. We are taking too much loans. You get my point? It's because Kenya has not chosen to like invest more in their people. You get my point? So sasa unadhani mimi hata serikali ikakuja niambie nataka ati nifanyie kazi. You think like watu wataweza kunilipa mimi? Kama wao wenyewe ile ndio wako nayo, tayari mimi okay, shut up. As in the problem that basically I feel this country is having, they're employing people based on, they are giving opportunities to people not based on their skill set, but based on I know you, you know me. And that is the problem, because now at the end of the day, when someone doesn't know what they're really doing, then automatically greed will like guide them. Get my point? Na hakuna kitu mbaya, there's nothing as bad in this life kama tamaa. You get my point? If you can tame your greed, you have hacked life. Greed physically, like wanting to like get what is eligibly yours. There's always beauty in that. You better like have something small that is yours legitly than have a lot stolen. Have a lot that deep down in your consciousness you've like you get my point? It's crazy basically. It's basically crazy. So mimi nimekuja hapa nihakikishe kila mtu knows how to leverage. You get my point? So that all of us, when we have like knowledge about leveraging, what will happen is, if you can make a 22 billion yourself, you get my point? If you can make money yourself, a brother too can make money themselves, Another brother can make money themselves. If the government chooses to fuck itself up, it will just fuck itself up. You as the person, you like be comfortable now. If Kenya has fucked itself, yeah, you can comfortably go to Uganda and stay there comfortably. You can go to South Africa and stay there comfortably. You can go to where there is peace. You can go to where there is calmness. You get my point? But for me, the reason as to why I'm here to like help you brothers and sisters to know how to leverage. Because it doesn't matter where you are. It doesn't matter where you're starting from. Yeah? Those people who know me, those who have like we have been with in this journey, they know I've always been a very simple one. And that has not changed. I still remain a very simple one. Yeah? Mimi ndio bro, mimi naweza nipiga taka kwa stress bro. Lakini mimi naweza kubadilisha maisha yako bro. You get my point? You like come like maybe meet me in the streets, maybe like this is a motherfucker, I don't piga taka. Where this is jana toka. Yeah? You get my point? But in reality, me I know God has given me that ability that I can help a brother out. I can change a brother's life for life. For sure. So let me go get the questions. So trade for this government, bro. Brother. Oh, the government can bring him down. Instead, teach people. Let them get the skill. That is it, brother. That is it, brother. Yeah, that is it. Me, I just want people to like know how to leverage. Yeah? So that if everyone knows how to leverage, even if the government does shit, if anyone does shit to me, the spirit, the consciousness still lives on. You get my point? That momentum still is on. That is what I'm after. That's why like I'll never stop like coming here. I'll never stop like coming here. Yeah? Because now if you know, even if what I'm doing right now, let me put it to you this way. What I'm doing right now, I'm doing something not for me. I'm doing it for you or like for everyone. You get my point? In this sense, you get the skill. Teach your brother the skill. Teach another brother the skill. Yes, things are getting harder, but we can simplify ourselves. Anyway, that is it. So let me get back to sticking to the plan. So what has made me like have good results this week? I stuck to the plan. The plan is simple. Maximize the market movement. Watch a uoga. Stop like, don't be afraid like to add positions in the market. Just add. After all, baka mali umefika. You mean if you lost that one today, you will die? Are you the owner of life? Don't you have faith in your own abilities as a person, as the life manifest that you are? You get my point? Yeah? You've got to like have faith in your own abilities as a person. Yeah? You got to know that you can achieve anything that you set your mind to do. You've got to know, have that awareness. And that awareness comes with presence in yourself. When you like have presence in yourself, you've got to like learn to be alone. You get my point? Yeah? You be alone, ukwe na kahinda. Yani you have like that moment. What is like what is in for me in this planet? You get my point? You got to like have that moment of silence so that you realize what is in for you in this planet. You get my point? Yeah? You might not have to like reach to the billions of people, but the one person that you like meet in the planet, his life, his mindset will change. That is the essence of life. Like letting your brother's candle will not like make you go out. In fact, yeah, I can tell you for a fact, my confidence level got better the more I continued teaching more people. The more I teach people and it is working with them, yeah, the more I am getting, my confidence level is going up. Right now, mimi siwezi sikizwa, mimi mtu kuja niweke chini, mimi mwenyewe nimejionea Kenya nafanya inasaidia pia wenzangu. Wale watu, those people that I'm working with, yeah, it's working with them. Yeah, it's working with me. Yeah, so the goal is to like let the whole world know about leveraging, that you don't have to like trade a lot of times. You just need to like have this one setup and it's a wrap. If the problem was money, then you realize the problem is not money now. When you have money, you realize it's not a money problem. Wale watu wana pesa ndio unasikianga na wana shida ya kusema it's a money problem. My friend, anyway, brother, nikasa wapi for physical consultation too. This is our workshop, brother. Kasarani Mwiki, Santa Pris, Second Street. You'll see this logo. Let me show you the logo. You'll see. You see that logo? You see that logo there? You'll see that logo. You see that logo? It's a barber shop. It's a kinyozi. You'll come and you'll see that logo. You see that logo? You see my logo? You see that logo? You know that is Mfalme. Mfalme is here. Yeah. So what is in for the struggling beginner who stumbled into your content? Practice. Manchan charm. What is in for struggling beginner? Practice. There's no shortcut. That is the problem. Unajua watu wako wamedanganyana sana kwa streets. People have been lying to each other in the streets a lot. You get my point? Like, you want to like have a good life, you've got to like commit to that good life that you want. There's no shortcut, brothers and sisters. Yeah? You want to like have something good, you've got to like be willing to like put in blood for it. By blood I mean time. You've got to like put time to like commit, to like see yourself like, where today I need to like learn about how to like maximize the outcome of a market movement, and then you'll get down to practice. Yeah, what is the beauty about like having Mfalme working with you? I'll tell you my mind. When I tell you my mind, it doesn't mean that is the absolute truth. You get my point? Wakati mimi nakwambia like soko naona itapanda, it does not mean that the market really go up. You get my point? We are just simply sharing minds that way there's a high possibility that this prices market will like might go up or might go down. You get my point? Yeah. So yeah, we share minds. We need to like share minds together. We need to like, you need to like hold your people down. Yeah. So yeah, you got to like stick to the plan. So being adaptable to change. Let me talk about being adaptable to change. What does it mean to be adaptable to change in the forex market? I'll say this. You got into the market as a buyer. You get my point? And then now the market structures or the market setups that market inatoa, you know, the market moves in structures, our market moves in patterns. When that patterns happen, yeah, soko itakwambia, where as much as we are going up, we are now about to go down. And that is why I'm saying you've got to like learn to practice more. You like go to like practice. Whatever you have like done, journal that. Me, I've been journaling myself ever since 2014, since I started. Yeah, all my work documents zote ziko hapa kwa ofisi yangu. Vile nilianza mpaka mahali nimefika, I've never stopped journaling myself up until to date that now I'm working with a lot of people. You get my point, brothers and sisters? You have got to like put blood. You got to like put your time, your commitment, and then understand that man is subjective to change. This is what I'm saying. I'm a subjective to forget. This is what I'm saying. Get my point really. You as a man, what you did 4 or 5 days ago, in the morning at 5, let's say at 11:52. If you can remember what was happening 3 or 4 days ago in your life at exactly 11:52, you're a liar. Yeah, you know, even like all of us, as you see us since morning, how we have woken up, really like giving you a chronological account of events as they have happened up until where we are right now. We can't really all tell. That is life. Like all of us, as you can see us, we can't see beyond our noses. That is something about life. You get my point? Yeah, like that is what makes us have faith in God. You get my point? Yeah, that is what makes God very powerful. Because now, if me as a person, I will have known, I would know, like in reality, like I have like 100% assurity that in the next 5 minutes I need to like do this to get this. I will just go straight up to that shit. You get my point? Hata yule mtu mjanja kwa hii dunia, they don't know the next minute, they can't go to their previous minute. You get my point? How do you now adapt to change? You got to like just be in tune. Being in tune. The prices was, as much as the prices were going up, yeah, how do I need to do? What do I need to do? Yeah, as much as prices were going up, now they're telling me they want to go down. You get my point? Yeah. So when the market gives you that information, it's upon you. It's upon you to like know that wakati wangu wa kutoka kwa soko kwa sasa imefika, then you get out. And it's like that. That is the reality. We can't really like run away from that reality about us. You get my point? Yeah. So yeah, it's been a good one. So unless someone like have more questions, I think I've answered you, Mancham. What is in for the struggling beginner? You practice, you become a billionaire. You get good, you don't have to trade again. One trade is enough. Yeah? One trade is enough. One trade is enough. One trade is enough. You don't need two, you need one. So yeah, so you want to leverage with me, I'm a call away. My number is at the bio. You want to like get things done with Mfalme is in for you. Thank you so much.